It is currently 3 a.m. It is Fresh Cash Friday. The fridge is open and we are ready, baby. Let's see what it's all about. Fresh Cash Friday, Hawaii style. Let's go. It is 3:15 here in the morning. It's Fresh Cash Friday. We got the computer set up, live stream the action, and let's make some money, baby. Fresh Cash Friday. Woo, 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 woo. Woo, 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 woo. All right, so we just got done with the live stream. We just got done with the live stream here in Hawaii. Oh God, chair's gonna fall. This floor is not straight, I'm telling you. So we just got done with the live stream. The sun is coming out. I was hoping there'd be some waves back there. It's supposed to be a swell, a little rainy morning here in Hawaii. Did the live stream this morning, had a big old epic move down. Everybody in the chat telling me to Patrick, it's gonna go up. I don't know. It's so frustrating sometimes, man. Everybody wants to give their opinion in the chat. At least it's gonna be a 3-day weekend. We got Labor Day weekend, and then we've got next Tuesday, I'm heading over to another island, Kona, here in Hawaii, and we're gonna be doing some fishing on Kona for like 5 days. So pretty excited for that. I don't know how much I'm gonna trade next week. Probably not trade really much at all. Good morning, Victoria. How'd you do today? You made some money?
Yeah, I was up 158 because I was down.
Ooh, she's up today, boys. She's trading the micros. She's trying to get through an evaluation right now, trading the micros, trading the breakouts, trading all that fun stuff. So right now it's almost 6 o'clock. I'm gonna get ready for the gym. I think Victoria is also gonna go to the gym here, and yeah, see what else happens. Fresh Cash Friday. Picked up a little beach cruiser here in Hawaii. It's nice, just kind of cruising around the North Shore. Don't have to drive the truck. We got a rental truck. Victoria actually took the truck to do some hot Pilates mat stuff, and I'm riding the bike down to Daniel Bachman's gym here on the North Shore. So if you've been watching my videos here on YouTube for a minute, you've been watching the vlogs, you kind of already know my kind of North Shore regimen. Oh God, there's no gears. There's a hill. Ah! Oh, God, it's a pump. My legs are sore. One of my buddies has a gym here on the North Shore, and Daniel Bachman, you've seen some videos before on the YouTube of him. This feeling will end.
Unscrew the cap and then rub it on your spot. Yeah. You gotta unscrew it, dog. Yeah. All right, man. Sprawl.
It's hot. Getting it done.
So sprawl, Charles.
Getting it done.
Push up, dog.
8 o'clock.
Hands on
It is now 8:30. Little hour-long workout, sweating it out, burning it out. I feel like I'm already skinnier just by being in Hawaii. I do feel like I've lost a little bit of weight, to be honest. No Chipotle here. Definitely cuts out a lot of the calories and carbs from my diet by not eating Chipotle every day. I've been kind of back on that steak diet. Egg steak diet has been kind of tried and true. So 8:30, we're gonna head home. See what the market's doing here, power hour, but in general, probably just make some breakfast, chill out. And there's your gap, right? That was the gap from the overnight. We sold down, we filled the gap right there, we pushed back up. We got the VWAP, we got a little bull flag breakout up there to the 530s now. So the gap getting filled. This morning we were short, we were looking for the gap fill, the fill happened, and then now the market reversing here end of day after filling that gap. So I got a meeting to do here in a minute, and then after that we'll try to eat some breakfast and see what else is going on. But I was pretty pumped on the fact that the NASDAQ filled the gap there perfectly. This is exactly the kind of setup that we talk about in the day trading course and all that. Like, you can literally see it. Just look at it, 15-minute chart. Got the gap fill, we broke that. We got back above the VWAP, bang, 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 bang. Oh, look at that. Would you just look at it? Living the best life, she said. Tell somebody something funny about Patrick that nobody else knows.
Ooh,
Story
time on the beach again.
Story time on the beach. Tell people.
Something about Patrick that nobody else knows?
Ooh, don't tell them everything.
Give me a second to think about it.
Hold the pole, girl.
What's funny about you? Well, there's
Funny?
a lot of funny things about you.
Maybe not
I
funny,
can't-
but this may be something people don't know. Am I people, they see the crazy YouTube, you know, personality, they see the live streams. Is that, you know, you deal with me every day. Is that a, you know, is that a real? Is it like, tell people there's something about me. Make me look good. Come on.
It's just like, it's hard.
Wow.
No. You're just.
This is really not working.
I've already said some nice things about you before, like how you're actually kind and sensitive.
Ooh, I'm kind.
And you love
maybe
to,
not. Well, not. I'm not
and you
sensitive.
love to-
I am not sensitive.
No, you're not sensitive. Actually, that's
Yeah.
that's
Wait.
No,
Don't
you're-
behave. I ain't
kind.
sensitive.
No, you're kind, and you like to get your feet rubbed and your head pet, and you like being taken care of. I don't know.
This does not make me look good at all.
I don't know what to say.
My girlfriend, he likes to get his feet rubbed. He likes to get his head. Wow. Okay, well, you think about that. I'm gonna go for a bike ride, and you just keep. Cock. There's a chicken there, or a cock, a rooster. You ever been to a cockfight? I have. It's wild. Don't go. It's not very nice for the animals. PETA's gonna cancel me. But when I was in the Philippines, I did go to a cockfight, a rooster fight, whatever you want to call it. A rooster dojo. The really nice thing about the North Shore is that there's this bike path. Right, there's a bike path that goes basically from one end to the other. So you can ride your bike around. It's nice, kind of quiet. Avoid all the crazy people. Right now it's kind of the down season time as well, off season. So there's less people here right now, less traffic, less crap going on, no waves. So take it to the limit. Friday, I'm gonna say it's officially Friday. It's the weekend, Labor Day weekend. I'm looking out here to see if there's any waves. Not much going on right now. Maybe a little wave later on today, but right now I'm just kind of relaxing, man. This is kind of the nice part about being on Hawaii time. It's 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Maybe take a little nap. Maybe look at the view. You know, I don't know. Look at that thing. Oh, look at that. Look at that. So I think I might take a nap. Take a little nap, a little midday nappy. Up at 3 a.m. People are like, what time do you go to bed, Patrick? Honestly, I go to bed like, I don't know, normal time. 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, same as I would in Florida. So kind of funny, actually. Maybe I wake up at 6 a.m. in Florida. I normally go to bed around like 9, 10. So maybe a little bit more sleep in Florida, but in general here in Hawaii, I'm not like freaking out. People are like, oh my God, I can't believe you wake up at 3 a.m. It doesn't really bother me, to be honest. Like, it's, when you first get up in the morning, the alarm goes off, you're kind of like, oh man, it's really early. But then when you actually get up and you start trading and like an hour goes by, you kind of forget about it. And then you're like wired in and you don't really care what time it is. Everybody online said I have no friends. Victoria is my friend.
I'm your friend.
You're my friend. Best friends. Best friends. What a beautiful day. Absolutely beautiful day here in paradise. Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya. Look at this little private beach for Victoria to lay on. And there's a little wave. I'm gonna paddle out, get wet, and see if I can catch a couple waves. Little Friday surf session. Let's go. If you guys haven't, well, I was gonna say if you haven't already hit that like button, you hit it right now, because you know it would be nice to hit the like button. But here we are, another beautiful little spot. Victoria's in the water, looking all kinds of beautiful, like a mermaid down there. She's looking like a mermaid down there. All right, so we managed to get a couple little waves. Not much really going on out there. Fun to get out and just kind of feel the push. It's been a while since I've been on a surfboard. And just get in the water, feel the sun, get grounded, baby. Put your feet in the sand, your hands in the air like you just don't care. It's 2 o'clock here, still so much time for activities. That's really the crazy part about it. Like, you literally wake up, you trade, and then you've got the entire day and you're like, what am I gonna do now? You know, we're back in Florida. When I'm in Florida, I literally get done trading, it's like dinner time. And then you're like, you eat dinner, you go to bed. Don't you agree?
Yeah.
It is kind of wild.
I like it here more.
Yeah, you definitely like it here, because now I'm not just on the computer all day. We're vlogging from the bathroom, like we're back in high school.
Wait, watch my hair.
For how much I'm in front of a camera, I fucking hate taking photos. I don't know why. I always look goofy. I have like no chin. And I'm like, I look at the photos and I'm like, is that how I really look in real life? And I'm like, oh my God. That's not good. I go on YouTube live every day looking like that. It's crazy because I feel like we've been awake a long time. What time did you wake up?
3:30.
You traded today too. You made some money.
I
saw your little short. She got a little short. She might have been listening to my live stream, but who knows? You know, I talk about that gap fill.
I know. I was looking for the setup, and
You saw the setup.
Yeah,
She saw the setup. She.
I took profit too early.
You went through the course, huh?
Yeah, I did.
Give a review, an honest review. Even if you weren't my girlfriend, what would you say about
I
the
think
course?
the course, no, honestly, outside from being your girlfriend, the course was so concise. For a new trader like myself, it really touched on all the questions I had. And every time I went to him and asked him questions, he's like, go through the course, it will answer every single one of your questions. And it really did, and then some. Like, even I went through it today again. I kind of keep on going back to different points about like your mindset and retracing the charts and stuff, and going back when you're bored and looking at different setups. Like, it's really the perfect course. I was thinking at the end, I was like, he should have charged so much more for this course. It's like, it's gold. So yeah, today I saw a setup, I took it, I put my stop I took it 30 points on it, but I could have taken more. But that was just me being greedy, and I knew not to buy back in. I just let it play out, even though Patrick got 100 points on that short. So yeah, good. Winner, winner.
Wow. My #1 affiliate over there. How much do I gotta pay her commissions on that deal? But we're gonna head to Turtle Bay. Maybe watch a little sunset, get a pina colada. I haven't had a pina colada in a hot minute. First time she came to Hawaii, we stayed at Turtle Bay the whole time. So we're back here, got some drinks.
Full circle.
Full circle, it's a whole circle, fully.
It's our honeymoon again.
We're on our honeymoon again. That was always the best. People still were like, aren't you married? Like, especially now when you dyed your hair, people on the internet are like, I thought, what happened to the brunette? I thought you were married. You got to get divorced. She left you already.
Same
People are
girl.
insane. Like, people on the internet are literally insane. They're like, think I got married and then got divorced already and got a new girlfriend. Y'all crazy. It's the same girl. How's that pina colada?
Oh, it tastes like home.
Like home?
Like we're home.
What?
Like we're home. Like back at Turtle Bay. Like we're
Oh, you're back in Ottawa, I thought.
like the original
Home is pina colada?
I phrased that wrong. Tastes like what I remember.
Feels like we're back. Fresh Cash Friday sunsets? What do you think?
Oh my god. Don't do that to me.
You're live on YouTube.
Let me proper myself. I think this is the best sunset I've ever seen in my life.
What about that course?
The course is the best.
Describe the view before I show it. How do you describe it?
This is, the view is amazing.
Me? Aww. It's amazing. And now we get to enjoy the fruits of our labor here in Hawaii. It's just a, you know, it's a different vibe, you know?
It's a good vibe.
I just think that you just feel it. There's something about Hawaii. The gap fill today, the action. Look at the cute little girl.
Look at that.
Oh. So yeah, cheers to Friday. Cheers to Fresh Cash Friday. We're out of here. I got places to be, things to do. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, that subscribe button, well, you're missing out on all the fun. So tune in, 9 a.m. live, right on the tube.